सर हमारा कंपनी से 27 आज 25 है परसों। हाँ बस। और कितना है इसका साइज? इसका साइज सर खरीद रहा है। And then, but we have how many here right now? Beds? 37. And we're going to expand this in another 20. Or expanding 27. 24. Is there a possibility for more? This is training. Oh, like that. So we should be able to expand for the activity a lot more. But in case, just keep your options open. Just explain it. Just keep it open, sir. निकाल देंगे सब करेगा और राइट यार वो ऑक्सीजन जनरेट वो ठीक है ऑक्सीजन जनरेट जो ऑक्सीजन इज रिक्वायर्ड ओके देन आफ्टर दैट गो टू सेंटर ओके एंड हां दिस विल गो देन इनटू दैट पाइपिंग सिस्टम इनसाइड देयर एंड सो देयर इट इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड सो इससे कितना इट इज 400 ना 400 मींस इज अमाउंट इज 40 प्लस ओके हाई फ्लो है ना 40 प्लस हाई फ्लो सो वी हैव द now only 42 beds. 200. You plan to have to 400. 100. नहीं आप करने तो करो मुझे वो नहीं है चल रहा है ना चलना चाहिए प्रॉब्लम there is no issue right but this is power backup no but UPS DG 400. We just visited Ganesh Das Hospital and today in the morning, and now we are here in the RPHS Hospital. We have come to see the installation of the oxygen plants that have been sanctioned, and I'm very happy to see that both the plants are almost ready to be operational. We expect that Ganesh Das should be operational in the next 24 hours. And in the next 48 hours, we expect the RPHS Hospital oxygen plant to be up and running. Similarly, there are many other plants that have been sanctioned throughout the state. We're keeping a close watch to ensure that these are completed before time, as the situation requires that we have all our infrastructure ready and in place in any eventuality. At the same time, I also had a small meeting with in discussion with the doctors, both at Ganesh Das and here. And so we're looking at all the issues that are concerning the hospital out here. And at the same time, I thanked all of them for all the work that they're doing. Especially again, I would like to thank the doctors here and all over the state, all the frontline workers, all the doctors, nurses and medical staff that have been working tirelessly to ensure that all the service possible is and care and possible is being provided to our people.